Bon, is that pronounced correctly?
Bone.
Bone.
Yep.
And you are the founder and the inventor of the Crunch Factory. These are 48 stuffed buffalo chicken or mac and cheese crunch rolls.
These are crunch roll or crunch bites, as we like to call them.
I call them delicious.
There you go.
Now, how best to cook them?
Well, the easiest and quickest way is in an air fryer.
From frozen?
From frozen. This product is fully cooked.
What
Heat
temperature? What temperature and how long?
400 degrees. It's going to be about 4 to 5 minutes, depending on your air fryer.
And you can use a dipping sauce if you choose. We have a buffalo, we have, we have a barbecue sauce. We have ranch, and we have bang bang sauce.
There you go.
All right, now we also have buffalo chicken and mac and cheese. I need to try the mac and cheese because, you know, that's a rule.
That's your rule.
All right, so this is a mac and cheese?
That is a mac and cheese.
Maybe a little ranch dip?
Yes, I think that's your favorite.
Uh-huh.
Oh, here we go. I love the happy dance. I love it.
So good. So good.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now, tell us about your mac and cheese.
So the mac and cheese, it's really a, very al dente elbow noodle, the classic elbow.
Right.
Okay. And then we add 5 cheeses, okay? Because a lot of people do 3 cheeses, 4 cheeses. We kick it up to 5 cheeses.
You have five different cheeses.
And then we add some spices and a little bit of sauce and boom, boom, boom.
So good.
Nice.
Now, this is buffalo chicken. This is like buffalo chicken dip?
It's similar to a buffalo chicken dip. Yep, that's kind of the concept. It's all white meat chicken, a blend of cheeses, and a mild buffalo wing sauce. We purposely use a mild wing sauce so that you could add some more hot sauce if you like it hot.
If you like it, hot, hot, hot.
Hot, hot, hot. But
it's not going to burn your face off the way it comes.
No, no, no.
Now, we get 48 of these, and you choose either all buffalo chicken, all mac and cheese, or you do 24 and 24 in a combo, yes?
Very good. That is the combo.
I
recommend that combo.
Now, you topped a salad with this.
Yeah, I mean, it's such a versatile item. I mean, you can serve it like this on a platter for the big game.
For the big game?
Yeah. Or you can serve it in a salad, complete there, with the dressing. Over here, you can see we present that with a soup. Nice, dip that right into your hot soup.
Nice.
Just,
with hot dogs.
Hot dogs, French fries.
These are lovely. And the more they ooze and goose with all of that filling. Now, is this the mac and cheese or this is the mac and cheese?
That's the mac and cheese.
Mac
yes,
and
sir.
Cheese. All right, I'm going to try the mac and cheese without any dip.
Okay.
Oh, that's not good.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And I love that they cook from frozen.
Cook from frozen, and they just make a great snack anytime. So whether it's for the kids after school, whether it's for the big game, or anytime you have a group together, everybody enjoys them. Whether they're the grandkids to the grandparents and everybody in between. It's just an item that is very acceptable by all.
This is perfect for your next movie night, big game, whatever you're doing when you are having people over, or you're looking to just treat yourself to something special. Now, what kind of container do these come in?
So they come in a resealable Ziploc type bag.
Okay.
They're clear. You can take them out, take 3, 4, 6 out, whatever you want.
So just take out what you need as you need
Put them in an air fryer, but you can also put them in a regular conventional oven
or a toaster oven.
Toaster oven. Yeah, it works in just about every one of your cooking appliances. We just don't recommend a microwave.
Yeah, because that may make the outside wrapper a little soggy.
Yeah.
Now, Brian, how many of these are left? In the mac and cheese, I have 300 to go around. In the buffalo chicken, only 175 to go around. And in the combo, most popular?
Most popular.
I have 600 available to go around. These are going very quickly. And remember, there is no auto delivery on this.
No, there is
not. So
not
that means that what you see is what you get. Now, how long do these last in the freezer?
So these have a 2-year shelf life.
2 years, wow.
What I will tell you is that they won't last that long. You'll be ready to reorder them within a short period of time.
I would.
That's it.
That's the mac and cheese.
That's the mac and cheese. That's your favorite.
I love. And
That's
buffalo chicken?
Buffalo chicken.
Now, buffalo chicken getting limited. Don't wait too long. Now, here's the buffalo chicken, just plain.
Just
no
buffalo
dip.
chicken plain. About the buffalo chicken, very important to note, the #1 ingredient inside that buffalo chicken is chicken.
Chicken.
That's what makes it. Then we do a blend of cheeses, as you see up here, and then the wing sauce.
And then a little light wing sauce. This is not super, super hot. Won't burn your face off.
No, no, no.
This is very, very, very popular. And a lot of people are wondering, can I serve this for the big game? Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Have you tried to make a pan of mac and cheese for the big game? Sure you could.
Of course
and
you
that
could.
would make for a great big mess, not only for cleanup, but also for after the party and for trying to eat it and not spill it. This is quick, it's easy, it's finger food.
It's done for you.
It's all done for you. Now, I need to let you know that we are very, very popular with both flavors. But mac and cheese, now 200 remain in the mac and cheese. In the combo, only 500 remain.
Yeah.
And in the buffalo chicken, only 125 remain. These are going very quickly.
Very
and
fast.
many of you are looking to pick up more than one set. Remember, these come in a resealable bag, so you can pop these in the fridge. I mean, you should pop them back in the freezer.
Yeah.
And then just take out
Pull
what
out
you need as you need it.
Pull out what you need, cook what you need, put the rest back in. Might, a couple hours later, you might want a few more.
And well, I know I would. Nice to have you back, sir.
Thank you.
Good to see
Appreciate
you,
it.
my friend.
All right.
And we're looking forward to that. Sold out since the last day it was presented. That was way back in November of last year. So it's been a while since this has been back on the air. Please be on the line and we'll take good care of you. Now, let's move on to a today only price. What does that mean? That means only good until the end of the day at this price or until the item sells out, whichever comes first. Now, this is from Germac. Two of their most popular mixes